Good morning. So this is another day where we're going to be doing some secret filming of stuff that won't air until after the parade. I've met these two lovely ladies behind me. Well, I've known them all week. Hey, do you want to say your names?
Morgan. Christina.
And they're from Tarpon Springs High School, so they're awesome. And they're going to help me out with some videos later today. You're going to love them.
Four short. If we're up, one long, four short.
I'm not sure, but I think this is a fire alarm. There's definitely not a fire anywhere. I have a feeling it got tripped. We're looking into this right now. What happened?
I don't know. I don't know. Nice. This is fun. I guess
Gerald, can you please explain what's happening right now?
I wish I could, but right now, at this particular moment, we're on a break, and the fire alarm starts to go off. So right now, we're being very flexible. We're about to take attendance and make sure everyone is safe. I think that's a good update.
Guys, what's going on?
There's a fire.
Wait, is there a real fire? So this has been some excitement to spice up our day. I mean, not that we're not under a lot of stress to get everything done, right?
Right.
So we've turned this potential waste of time into something productive. We're lining up at the Red Ready line and we're practicing our walking out or running out on Herald Square with just being outside on the grass.
Macy's!
One, two, three, pitch, C, 3, forward,
Rest this line! Rest this line!
Go purple!
Why no purple? I happen to like purple.
No, hey, listen, in my world, in my country,
Oh wait, I just remembered what purple means. Yeah, we don't want any purple around here. We had such a crazy rehearsal today, but it ended up being productive. We got the whole parade tune on the street. I was gonna say on the floor or on the field, but neither one of those is right. It's on the street.
If you can't,
And now we're gonna go eat some pizza! This is a great pizza place because I always feel like I just know everybody when I go in there. Hi guys! Hello! Hi! Look! Oh, just kidding, that's what... Have fun, guys!
for the people in the front.
do you have all your girls?
You want to step up to the next line? Come on. Right there, right along that line. Right there. No, back up, back up. Behind that line. There you go, right there. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on, we need a couple more rows down. A couple more rows. That's not bad. Okay, good rendition. Good congratulations. You are on. 10, go.
1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. I don't want a lot from Gration. There's just one thing I need.
Okay. Now we have Gina's group.
Listen up. We're just gonna run this down the chart one time only. Let's go. All right. Ready?
Are you terrified?
I'm good. I'm excited. I went to New York City for Thanksgiving parade. We learned our show in hours. The Macy's Jet is great.
Or could it be the least? Is the Sosa's group. Ready.
Hey, what's our starting note? 1, 2, marching band rocks. Take it from me.
Or failed a name change. Goes to Gina's group.
We would have been in place.
In third place.
Getting fourth place.
In third place with a final score of an 88.95. 88.95 goes to the Sosa's group. In second place with a final score of a 97.85. 97.85. Yes, that is a big number. Okay, 97.5. And visual of props and yet of lighting, but textured goes to Mr. Gration's group. And currently in first place with a final score of a 97.995. Great rhythm and so forth goes to Jackie Brown's group.